So hey guys, the launch of the OnePlus 12 is just a few weeks away and we already have some inside information about the phone's key specs. Looking at how OnePlus has improved the OnePlus 12 compared to its predecessor, it is evident that they are taking competition seriously. People who have criticized them for losing the reputation of being a flagship killer might be in for a pleasant surprise. OnePlus is all set to make a strong comeback and win back its customers with the highly anticipated OnePlus 12. Get ready to explore the exciting new offerings that OnePlus has in store for us. The OnePlus 12 will feature a lightning-fast 100-watt charging speed according to confirmation from the Chinese certification website. This information aligns with previous leaks and the device's model number spotted on Antutu. The OnePlus 12 has also achieved impressive scores on the benchmark platform, surpassing 99% of tested devices and even outperforming the Xiaomi 14. The OnePlus 12 camera system introduced the impressive Sony Litia LYT-808 sensor with a massive 50-megapixel sensor and a new pixel technology. This sensor enhances light intake and allows for a 2x increase in saturated signal capacity, resulting in exceptional dynamic range and clarity in night scenes. The OnePlus 12 also includes telephoto capabilities, ensuring a high standard of photography. The Hasselblad partnership will continue with the OnePlus 12. To make this even better, OnePlus has partnered with BOE to create something special called the X1 Oriental screen. This new display is like a visual treat for your eyes. Imagine a super sharp screen with a brightness that can go up to whopping 2600 nits. That means the colors will be vivid and bright, making everything on the screen look stunning. Now let's talk about the design. We have a sneak peek at how the OnePlus 12 might look. The camera setup is getting an upgrade with a fancy 64-megapixel lens and the LED flash is moving to a new spot, making the whole thing look sleek and cool. And the selfie camera is moving to the center, giving the front of the phone a fresh new look. So let me know what do you think about this OnePlus 12 in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.